Hi, I'm Lucy Contreras, Manager of Plant Collections here at Brook Green Gardens. Today we're in St. Gaudens and it's really hot out here. As you can see from our coleus, like us, they're getting a little hot too and need a bit of a drink. Today we're going to look at some safety tips for working out in the heat, what you can do for yourself, and also how you can help your garden. So what can you do to stay healthy when you're working in this oppressive heat? The first thing you want to do is put some sunscreen on. It's really hot out here, and the last thing you want to do after a long day of working in the gardens is come and have a sunburn. So you want to get some sunscreen. Don't forget your face, don't forget your neck, your ears, all the good stuff. A hat is a good idea. You get that sun protection, you get a little bit of protection from the sun in your eyes. If you're somebody who wears glasses or even doesn't, you do want to think about UV protection for your eyes too. Whether that's sunglasses, regular glasses, you want to keep that in mind. And of course, you want to have a drink. It gets so hot out here, you need to stay hydrated. If you're like me, you probably forget to take a drink until you're thirsty, and you want to make sure you're drinking before you get to that point. And the last thing, which is a good thing to do, don't be shy, is take breaks. It's just too hot to keep working if your body's telling you, take a break.